What is going on, Kapow Pals? My name is Chris and you're watching the Kapow channel. Okay, so today we're going to open up some Pokemon Team Up boosters. I have the triple pack set and then the additional one because I wanted to open all the different designs. So this is the first time I'm actually opening up Team Up, so I'm kind of excited about this. And I haven't really had a proper look into the pack designs. So the first one we have is an Eevee and Snorlax. So Eevee is right here and Snorlax is here. I really like this actually. This is a really sort of retro look for the pack, and yeah, I think that they've done a really good job of this one. And then for the triple we have the Ultra Necromancer. It looks like a Gengar and a Mimikyu. I need to open this actually and see what is behind it, and then we have a coin there of Ninetales. Okay, so anyway, oh, and on the back it says, give your collection a boost, get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with 3 awesome booster packs from the new Sun and Moon Team Up expansion, a special foil promo card, a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG Online. Then it goes on to say, Tag Team Pokemon GX are here. Brand new cards that feature paired up and powered up Pokemon. The Pokemon TCG Sun and Moon Team Up expansion offers amazing battle teams like Pikachu and Zekrom GX, Eevee and Snorlax GX, and Gengar and Mimikyu GX, plus even more Pokemon GX, Lycanroc GX, Hooper GX, Cobalion GX, and others. When the teams put their moves into motion, it's a total free for all. Check out the awesome action and dynamic duos in the Sun and Moon Team Up expansion. And on the back there's a sticker there, but I really like the picture. When Pokemon announced the new Team Up look, it had a really cool advert which showed Pikachu pairing up with Zekrom. Okay, so here we go. There's the promo card. Ultra Necromancer, which is part of the Ultra Sun and Moon game set. Okay, and we've got 2 cards here. There's the first one, and there's the second one. So let's bring those, so don't use those again. Right, so here's the coin. Actually, that's quite a nice coin as well. And finally, we get to have a look at all 3 different pack designs. So that one is Celebi and Venusaur, Zekrom and Pikachu, Gengar and Mimikyu, and Eevee and Snorlax. Okay, so this has to be my favourite one, so I'm going to put that to last. I'm going to put Celebi and Venusaur second. I'm going to do this order. Okay, so let's do the loose one first, which was Snorlax and Eevee. So I'm going to try and keep these packs, if I can, in decent shape. Oh, maybe not. Just the house. Okay, so all these are going to be brand new cards for me. So I've never seen any of these cards before. I believe it's 3 from the back. Let's see. It might be 4. Hang on. Let's find out. Okay, I'm not sure if there's an energy card either. So let's just, no, it's not for this one. So let's just go through them. So you've got return label. Kangaskhan. I really like that card actually. Kangaskhan is one of my favourite Pokemon. Cosmium and Cosmog, so it's the evolution. Actually, what's even more awesome about that is I believe, okay, maybe not. I wasn't sure if that was actually the evolution, but I don't think it is. Anyway, so Cosmog, a Voltorb, Squirtle, Bronzor, Kelfiki, I don't know. Okay, so Geodude is the reverse, and the rare is an Aerodactyl. Okay, there is an energy card, so it's 4 from the back. The Aerodactyl is our rare card, and Geodude is a holographic. Okay, let's do the second one. Okay. There's the code card. So it's 4 from the back. So, guessing energy game, I'm going to say fire. It's water. Quite like the energy cards have like this box effect now. So Taurus. Weird looking Taurus, but kind of has a bit of a duck face. So that is, yeah, Torracat. We have a Kabuto, Pidgey, Dratini. Oh, I like that Dratini. Pawniard, Alolan Grimer, Ponyta. The reverse is Paris, and then the rare is a Alolan Executor. Okay. Put that one in there. Right, let's get this one. I've not done a very good job of this one. Okay. There's the code card. So 4 from the back. Okay. I'm going to say lightning. Oh, I got it right. Okay. Dull Blade. Alolan Graveler. Nita. I'm not sure what is that meant to be her bum or something, or just her dress. Joltik, Blitzel, another Squirtle design. I thought I had lipstick on then. Tentacle, a normal Grimer. The reverse is Dratini, and the rare. Ooh, is a holographic Tyranitar. That's a nice card. Okay, and our last pack is Zekrom and Pikachu. Okay. There was the code card. So 4 from the back. So fire this time. Okay, it's a dark energy. Viridian Forest. Rapidash. Electro Charger. Ponyta. Mareep. A cute looking Charmander. Yeah, cute looking Charmander. A Honedge. Pidgeotto. Lugia is our reverse. That's a really awesome looking card. And our rare is a non-holographic Nidoqueen. So, not a bad little haulage. Let's just take all the good cards out of this. Okay, so these are really the best cards. We have a reverse holo Lugia. Holographic Tyranitar, which is, both these are probably one of my favourite Pokemon from both the second generation, which is awesome, and then a Ultra Necromancer as our promotional card. So that is all from me today. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, to sum up, I really quite like the pack designs. I think I definitely will try and keep some of these and look at in the future. I just really like how the art is really well done, really well made art, and really thought through as well. So yeah, I like that artwork. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I shall see you at the next video. So take care all, and yeah, have a nice evening. Bye.